Hello, kongka hamjotno no lamso hai no hai. Mia baseng live faika aus kang live faika. Saimia norok ni misingo mia basab sabatong. Angge tini seng paimani angge te koroksa ketal resapnai seng tini manka studio. Ang norok no bini korang khnarwane. Tai ni bin mekhang bopno gana seng tini rough dubbing, rough vocal nanai amo live normal punong nai phungka ham KRD production nono belake hambai ke JT production jotno production mangno hello dara hambai nono ke mochang music wow Rupesh kaham kersabdi okay Rupesh no siniuna naro okay actually Rupesh ni kisisa kok nong sai khna jiwana Rupesh belake resabnani khorang belake kaham bo sak borsa mung suyo bo ngangke Udaipurni chatrai tangkamo chatrai bari ni sorry chatrai phang ni ngangke bo iko recently je Notice Idol langmani bo ajaga audition bagi thanga ngangke bo mega audition jora thangmani phia ba mayok khujang mani mayok khute tengger zaman bagi khorang keligani saw hain bagi bajaga disqualifying phaikya phiaba bo aboni sai te ba sakau thana tongmani engke bini resamung rok norok tini khnawane engke ang borok no norok no phunogana bini mangpili ko studio no botabuk ready engke botabuk ready no sentabuk vocal nanai orok kha khayo ke bo Kok borok sayarok orok kya bukrina. I hope there is no one non-kok borok people. Okay. Angka sentabuk bini vocal recording na lanya. Rupesh, ready nung able? Okay. Ini sambung tam kamu? Rangcak ni gairing. Wow. Mohai song title rok khnaya ko ang tabuk sak ani 2011 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 tabuk 20 choli tongo 11 isim samung khaim khamang phiaba omo puilani kaisa song title belake khna to khlainai khak gasang dodor ngi thanga bino song title bai no song title ni bumung hungke rangchak ni gairing pu wow hungke khanai nele no bin gan bahai ya sa tami tongo ya sa mobile lomi tongo Hi das means I'm sorry that you don't understand Kok Borok but now we are having a recording season session. Recently, he has gone for audition in Northeast Idol, and he had to leave the audition from Mega Audition. Anyhow, he has a good voice, and he's a really good singer, and he has composed this song. One, two, three, one. Yes, brother Lengpu Chonglo, you can ask surely. Bishendro, bini song ni title ke Rangchak ni guiding. Brother Lengpu, this is actually in Tripura. Yeah, this is in Tripura, which is another state of northeastern India. You have to cross all the way Assam, Meghalaya, then only you will get the Tripura. Di Prasa Hukum Studio, bini resam murau zefur release ngana, apru mana ne? Kena rok naik singi dong ta apru release kayak mana ini ne? Balik ke kena toka. Rupesh, pai dia? Dong ke asui ini orang resam actually neng tam no wan suki siman sai kena gadi.
Abo kebama borone feeling tongo je nijini hamzang kono maya mone ya kade thangtu
Acha.
abono khakai simanita
Acha. Brother Chonglo, so much. Acha ngange as you are online, let me tell you something about his song. Nung busuk bosor ngata ba?
anto 18 years
He's 18 years old, and then he has written this song especially for those people. There are many, maybe it may be girls or it may be boys. There are many people who does not get their love. Usually the breakup takes place, and then they loses their loving one, and then it can be even family also. So thinking those in mind, he made this song. This is sang by a lover, a real lover, maybe boy or girl, saying that you come back to me. I realize this is my fault. Don't keep those bitterness in your heart. Forget those things and forgive me and come back to my life. That is what the song says. Hein blana. Ke bini oro samung norto kana kabang ma boro rock. Kisisa kok bang lagi ke no খাওয়া তুই লাই নাই খাওয়া চুলাই নাই ব্রেকআপ উং লাইও ব্রেকআপ উং পাখেন কেন টেকে হিসাবে মেকআপ উংই লাইও ke am hairok chaya sung jefru khoroksa sukbai sung halok manju hungke sung a halok no sung maintain khaina ni nango a halok no sung maintain khayai nai a halok no maintain khlainai sung bwskango abutlang no kwbangma walai suklai phaio kok banglaima phaio hingke kok khapilai ang jora phaio amhai jora rogo sing sini relationship no bwskango tlang thang no amhai no bin rijab mung hingke belai ke hambai norok no hingke torokori norok tam sungbai kya ketar deborma acha tiprasa hukum borol mane ketar selana okay belai ke hambai can he translate the song in English lempo chongloi yeah the song can be translated in English maybe if we happen to release this in YouTube maybe we will give with subtitle in English but in case if this song has to be sang in English the tune will be changed actually this song is composed basically in Indian tunes so in English tunes though you have to maybe compose in other way otherwise it won't sound very nice it will sound very funny to sing English lyrics with English this one Hindi tune hingke nailene khana eba khana soni sabo phai studio o tini to sini takok Rupesh phaikya bono norok ni kha kaham yafardi all the best yafardi bo jate bwskango bini rsamung ni haparo bo kaham rsamung tui phaiteng khnai tamke ang personally ang kha khlaio boni rsap mung ni je tel tongmani kaham no boni sritani compose khaitani omo kaham no bo bwskango rsapte bini first recording sobo this is his first recording omo bini pulan recording se amjak ngangke thinangni salo phainani salo tebo kaham bo tubo I hope welcome brother Lengpo Chongloi actually let me tell you you are from which community brother Lengpo actually my family my wife is from Rengma community okay you are Kuki okay yeah I had many Kuki friends my wife is Rengma maybe in some other times I will let you meet thank you so much for being my subscriber hingke sing ini bisi deglia bini demo vocal to pai pekya hingke sing wind up khaisnai sing sajui paisnai chini live ni session no bwskang ni salrogo tebo norok ni jajakmani singer rok phaika hingke ang norok no live funuknai borok ni rsap mani baike rsap sing kaisa rsap nungmo koibar mana tam mana aborok funugane bini mo tabuk final ngyako ang tabuk final ang tabuk music namani yagulose music namani porese bo tekse final vocal final okay hambai belaike thank you so much and have a nice day and see you soon with another live video of your loved singers maybe someone whom you know or whom you love when they come in the studio definitely I'll be on live thank you so much hambai